go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. And this be Celebrity Hour. You dey watch live for YouTube, and it be too much GH. If you not subscribe to the channel, make sure say you go subscribe to the channel so that any entertainment trending news will come around, you go be the first person where you go watch. Okay, right now some Yawa become. It be Yawa, it's not like it be Yawa, no be Yawa, but we where we dey here, we go talk. Because me Flamboyant there, me I go talk because it be Yawa or it no be Yawa, I go talk. Where it be Yawa because it be celebrity what? Yawa. Then talk say Kwame Eugene go share food for children in the area after VGMA win. It be classic. Where the food wey Kwame Eugene go share no. It tell like his son dey in car inside. He dey the car inside so now he dey wear hair rag wey he dey comot for the car inside where he share the food give the kiddies for the for in area there. Where his son in place no, he dey the kiddies no good pictures. He make the kiddies no feel free where they take in place and things no. Then they cook pictures. It be fantastic. That's what Kwame Eugene go do. So I dey come. Plenty people they talk about the win of Kwame Eugene, the artist of the year. You know, say plenty people can fire the guy. Plenty people can talk say Kwame Eugene no they deserve the award, but Kwame Eugene they deserve the award because the reason why they deserve the award is so he work hard. Even though they deserve it, they no go take give am. Working hard and things go determine how you go do am. When Guru come out, some of the people wey dey sabotage am be Guru Demon. You can't talk say Kwame Eugene no dey here. He know dey what? If I not get the award because you know work hard, if you sack all the way you work hard on the year review, that be the reason why they for take give sack all the year. That was Guru talk. But you listen to your Guru. You wey dey talk so no, you for concentrate on yourself. If I not say you to be artist, then things. If someone know they deserve her, if I talk say oh it be me, then it be me where they deserve. You can't talk say you can't talk that thing. You can't talk say VGMA. If they not give them award that VGMA be fake or VGMA no be real. That's what Guru can't talk. You Guru you can't talk this thing. But you get hit song then things. You where you know say you get hit song. That be your mind. Ghanaian people too. I don't know say they know or they don't know. To me I don't know. Maybe some of the hit songs they. If you get them, take go Charterhouse, take go them are there, make them inspire your songs, make them nominate their things. You know what do that thing. So how they go fit give you award? How Guru they go fit give you award? So Sunday sabotage Kwame Eugene. Kwame Eugene too can show maturity. The guy no, he get small like he be kiddie, but he get big man. There he show maturity. He can't talk say Guru being big fan. Now he be Guru way now he follow Guru, he follow a Guru way. He dey look forward to say them Guru go do track. He them Guru go do something. That's what Kwame Eugene can't talk. So you Guru no, you see say the kiddie no, he can't show you big boy level. He dey talk say he be kiddie and things, but he mind day. Guru, Kwame Eugene mind day. So you if you dey talk something now, if you aspire and things, even though they deserve I know will get. But make I talk the full sharing. The right way Kwame Eugene they wear the rag. Where you come out, they wear the rag for the car inside. Where you come out for the car inside, where you take the rag no, it be Yawa. Kwame Eugene, you they do the dread now, because now Ghanaians know they like. Ghanaians know they like your dread no. But right now you do Aifa, but you do Aifa. The reason why you do Aifa say you believe in yourself, say Charlie, this is what I go do. You don't go fit show me what you go do. So why you they hide? You dey car inside that. Just the thing make people see you the things. If you know they hide your identity, your head and things. If your hair, if your glory, your hair be glory. Because Ghanaian people they talk say you know they fatter you and things. Do if your face go match. It about so make you know they hide your hair for car inside and things. Then make them see say it be you. Make them see say it be you. It be Kwame Eugene. The food where you share to be classic. It be something where everyone for do. But why you go fit share food on the day where you win award? You win the award so if you share food. That be the questions where Ghanaian they talk say make I ask you. Did you share the food because of the award you won? If I don't do so, even if you go fit do that thing, maybe once a week, twice a week, then things now, maybe thrice a month or then certain things now. I don't want to talk say plenty people will need the home. Me I for do some. You two will inspire me for do some. Kwame you do too for do some. But if I not win something before you will go share food, because it be Yawa. That's what Ghanaians they talk. It be Yawa. If you don't want share food, then do one. But on the note, you know, why you go fit share for Fadama only? If you share for some community inside, I know they your pocket inside, but if they listen to me, because one man know they one person here this, and maybe your mind they do you say do one for your what your area inside. You go feel go plenty places go do. If you some place where you go do, you go feel help. That what they come the award top. The award top where they come now, it be like Kwame Eugene do something where no bro do something before. To me, and to some of the Ghanaians too dey talk say Kwame Eugene do something wey no bro do. Because what Kwame Eugene do no bro do before. He bring in awards in place for this for in area, make them snap pictures. We know plenty artists when they be mainstream artists when they win awards. Then take the award and they take go put them a kitchen cupboard inside. Then they take go put them a wardrobe inside. Then do some box bean and put for inside. The awards you no go take do anything. You no go take do anything. You go there with Ghanaians, you and mind. You go there people that my mind say in the books of history to say this person win this award and things. You go there people that my mind and things. By the place, every time they make people take pictures and things, make it motivate people. Sometimes you dey cry, you go fit take good picture. Sometimes then you motivate, you go feel right motivational quote and say, some words fine, I go feel motivate and make you focus, make you do what they really they do. It about I dey give thanks to Shatawale. Then things they do, he dey sakwa there. If you them where I see. Stonebwoy to his streams for Boomplay. He can't advertise the what? The citation when they take him out. Even motivation. You know about so if you be an artist, if you do them things where you go motivate the young ones where them they underground and things. Because plenty people won't give up. Plenty people won't give up, say, Charlie, this thing, you know they do this, you know they do that. You give up and you spot that thing. That means you don't want to tell musician, you don't want to tell what they really want to do. You see, so Kwame Eugene do something where me I like. When Ghanaians do the come for one, Ghanaians do the talk say, Charlie, yeah, you cook carry. That means you do well. You do everything. So Kwame Eugene, they make people, they mingle, they make people, they say, Charlie, what this guy they do, they be something. He be young, but in mind, you do this one there, you do a maturity way. You make people all know, say, Charlie, you be rasta. Kwame Eugene make am well. But say, read the yawa there, we go talk. The hair no dey Kwame Eugene. I dey talk again. I dey pinpoint am. Make your hair no dey. Make your hair no dey. Make you know dey cover your head and things. If your own choice. Make we see, make we make familiar. It dey be you. Because if you rasta and things. And go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle. You go fit follow all the social media platforms. We be too much GH.